Okay, YouTubers, I want to talk about these 2.8 V6 frame stands or mounts on your front cross member. If your vehicle came originally with that 2.8 V6, it has given me nothing but headaches because the original V8 swap that we did on this vehicle with the old school small block and the first time we put the 4.8 LS in here, we didn't realize that these 2.8 stands weren't common amongst other S10 swaps. So we just worked around it and just figured this was the same headache and challenge everybody had when they did a LS swap on an S10 or S10 Blazer. Come to find out, no, not everybody fights with these stupid things. Yes, you're way better off removing them, because you have a huge interference issue with the engine being 1 inch to 1.25 inches higher than just mounting your conversion mounts directly to the crossmember frame. It gives you exhaust manifold interference with your steering shaft. We've had all kinds of headaches with bell housing bolts because it pinches the back of your transmission so high in the tunnel that you can't get easily, and sometimes not at all, get sockets, extensions, tools up to do your upper bell housing bolts. Not to mention the fact that when your engine is that much higher than it was intended to be, you can't set your pinion angle on your output shaft of your transmission properly, because the transmission gets pinned up against the tunnel or the floorboard way before you get the right angle to work with a negative pinion angle on a leaf sprung suspension in the rear. So I'm gonna try to get this thing done because I got to run to town. I just wanted to show you guys. I got them cut off. This is what they look like. And that's how much higher it holds your engine than it needs to be. If you have a vehicle with these on it and you want to do a V8 swap, whether it's old school LS, whatever, highly suggesting these things go bye-bye. But I got to run to Harbor Freight and get some fresh flapper wheels to clean this up and get ready to put in the mounts directly on the cross member, which I'm absolutely looking forward to, because it's going to simplify the install. Like if you're going to R&R the transmission for whatever reason, it's going to make it where you can use your electric or air tools to do your bolts both upper and lower. It's just amazing how much you can mess up without even knowing that you're messing up. So anyway, this is where I'm at. This is what I'm trying to do. Let me see if I can show you real quick what the mounts look like that I'm going to be using. Okay guys, here's the mount setup I'm going to be using. Basically those are some thick, I think 3/8 inch thick Transdap V8 adapter plates that normally bolted to those 2.8 V6 frame stands. And then of course I've got my modified 74 to 81 Speedway Camaro solid mounts for the frame, and then on the inside of the engine with my LSX Innovations block adapter plates, I'm running a set of Energy Suspension short reach clamshell style. Sorry about the wind, guys. Okay guys, I've been doing a little bit of grinding work, trying to work those welds down because that lower weld is super thick, and even my grinder wheel doesn't seem like it wants to eat it off. So I've been using like a 36 grit wheel, trying to work it down and get all those weld marks flat, because that's about where my new mount and plate's going to attach to the cross member. But until I set the engine in and properly locate it, I won't be able to mark my exact positions of my adapter plates. So that's the plan right now. Hopefully I'll get some more work tomorrow morning. It's starting to get dark now. But I'm gonna try to get all the, you know, grinder work done, get it smoothed out, get all that paint and waste of money, pour 15, knocked off of this cross member, and that way I can set the motor down in there probably tomorrow morning and see what's going on as far as getting it set. So thanks again for watching. Please tune in. There'll be more updates tomorrow. Thank you.